My name is Kevin, and I've lived in this house for 34 years.
My name's Owen. I'm the CEO of Yellowjacket Heating and Cooling Services. What makes Yellowjacket stand out in the world of HVAC is our approach towards innovative technologies like Harvest Thermal. Yellowjacket Heating and Cooling Services would like to get rid of gas furnaces in the entire Bay Area by 2030.
We had a 15-year-old water heater. It was time to start thinking about replacement.
I came across Harvest Thermal and I just thought, wow, you're able to harness all that cheap energy in California during the day and use it during the nighttime. And I thought that was fascinating and brilliant. I just think it's so cool that you can weave in a heat pump water heater and a heat pump and help save more money and help the environment.
It is a great update to the quality of our life. I've saved 63% of energy usage. It just feels like a different house.